guys, welcome back to another video. It is me again, Briana Marie, and you're tuning into this look, y'all. I am filming on my Sony A7C, so let me know how y'all like the quality, because I was like, you know what, I do film vertical on this camera. Reels, TikTok videos, it don't even matter. I film on this camera when it comes to that, but I was like, you know what, let me film YouTube videos on this camera, see how it is. Let me see the quality of it, and it actually is bomb. Okay, when I say quality, it eats. I say quality eats, it eats, period. But yeah, I used to use this camera for vlogging, but I switched to my other one because I had got a new camera, which was the EOS R. I don't know if y'all remember that first vlog I did with it, but anyways, too much rambling. What have been done with this look? It is 8:33. I've been done with it like probably 2 hours ago. However, I stayed up, cleaned up my mess. I'm tired. I can't even keep my eyes open. I was doing this look and this eye just was a mess. Like, it just was not. I was going to give up for real on this look, and I was not going to do it again. I was gonna go up there and I was gonna go to sleep, but I just pushed through. I pushed through it. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching.
Briana Marie, the Cutcrease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
This look, we're about to go ahead and do the brows first. Y'all already know I don't play when it comes to these brows. We did about to get 8. Okay, Benefit brow gel. Alright, y'all, so brows are molded. As y'all can see, when you're using the Benefit brow gel, you want to always make sure your brows are dry. So I grabbed this new powder right here. This is from Juvia's Place, and I got the shade Cookie Dough. To be honest, I want a lighter shade than this because I feel like Cookie Dough was like too matchy. I already know I love a bright under eye. Even though this is a lighter powder, I just still do like matchy. So this is the powder, but I love the texture of it. I'm not gonna lie, the texture is bomb. But yes, I definitely want a lighter powder. Alright, y'all, so I did go ahead and outline my brows because I'm gonna go ahead and take this eye method hairline stroke pencil. This is from the TikTok shop. So if y'all don't have TikTok, I don't know if y'all got that online, I don't know, but I want to go ahead and fill my hairs in because they're more like hair-like strokes. So I did not switch to the other side. I went ahead and stayed on this side of the pen, and I just went ahead and flickered the hairs up towards the front. I don't know what concealer I'm gonna use. I need some new concealer, y'all. I'm telling you, some of the makeup that I have is getting old, so it's time for new stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and take my MAC 252S brush. For the two concealers, I'm gonna go ahead and use the L'Oreal Paris. This is the Infallible 24-hour wear concealer. I love how you can actually see the products, y'all. I think the background that I usually be on, or that I started when I was at my house, is too white. I need a background that has like dimension to it, or something that is black so that I can pop. So I'm going to use the lighter shade first. This is in the shade 410 Almond, and I'm also going to use these to conceal with. This is this color right here, yes. The other concealer that I showed, the darker one, is 415. This is Honey. I want to go ahead and go in with this, and we're going to conceal the top first and then also the bottom. Brows are done. I am so confused with what I want to do today. Like, I don't even know. We'll do something like simple. It's 11:50 and it's a Saturday, y'all. So I want to go ahead and figure out what I want to do. I want to just think about that off camera, and then I'm going to come back and really get started with the eyes. I'm really going to switch the bases up because I do use mine a lot. I'm going to go ahead and use the P. Louise base, and I think this is number 2. Yeah, this is in rumor number 2, y'all. And I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this on the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and take these 2 palettes today, which are these Morphe 39A palette, and then this is the Be Perfect Cosmetics the Tahiti palette. I'm thinking about taking this one right here, the one I'm hitting pan on. The 2 colors I want to add are these 2. I'm gonna go ahead and take Cocoa, which is this one right here. And we're gonna go ahead and see which brush that these are the brushes. Like, when I say tiny, tiny, y'all. Transitions are on. I want to test out these color effects, y'all, that I got from the Nessa Myricks. Well, I bought this with my own money, y'all. I wish she would send over a little PR package. Ooh, with all the colors. So nice. Got the yellow one and the black one. We have lemonade and blackout. I'm gonna start off with lemonade first because I just want to basically put lemonade in there, and then I'm gonna cut with black, and then I'm gonna smoke everything else inwards. Try this. I'm gonna do lemonade first. When I test these, they dry matte. Okay. So lemonade. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Now we're taking the color lemonade. I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush. I got this off of Amazon, and I got several of them, but different lengths. So I'm gonna go ahead and just basically put this on the back of my hand. And we're gonna go ahead and line our eyes, well, our cut, with that yellow. It would have been all fine, but the yellow over here cracked. So I had to like scrape that off. Y'all, like, so tired. I'm so tired. I want to take my Makeup Addiction pigment in the shade Impressions. I don't know, green in this. Y'all, this look came out so fire. Like, y'all see this? I was gonna quit, but I was like, you know what? It's always something to me that says keep going. It is 4:49. Y'all, I don't know what time I had on there, but this I messed up because I applied too much of this. So right now it's not cracking on me. But y'all, this is how it came out. And I say gorgeous, gorgeous, and the cuts match. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my lashes, the I Envy lashes. I put my lashes on, I prepped and primed my face. I want to go ahead and take these two foundations. This foundation, but in the shades Tiramisu and Spice Rum. Spice Rum is really my color. I just like Tiramisu because it make it a little darker. Then I'm going to add this. Once I am on that PR, they sent me a serum mixum medium. So I think I just put this in my foundation. And y'all, I want to see it because these foundations are matte. So I'm gonna put that in my foundation. Oh, that was a lot. Looks like this. And I'm just gonna mix it. It's glowy. That's what it did. It made it glowy. Serum mix and medium transform the coverage of any liquid foundation or cream formula and adds a boost of radiance with a shot of vitamin B12 for a healthy luminous finish. Ten out of 10. One size, 10 out of 10. Now, what they spray to set the face, I don't really like it like that. Now, they got a glitter one that I want to try. I like glitter on the face. I don't have to spray it so close, but I'll probably like spray it a little bit so the glitter can get on. But this, look at my skin. Look at my skin. And this is a matte foundation, but look at my skin. Y'all not seeing it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. If y'all liked this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'm gonna definitely see y'all on another one. Hey y'all.